The first teaser for the Infinix 40 Series Racing Edition, created in partnership with BMW Group Designworks, has been launched. The Infinix Note 40 series comprises 5 smartphones: Note 40 4G, Note 40 5G, Note 40 Pro 4G, Note 40 Pro 5G, and Note 40 Pro Plus. Each model is available in various colors. Infinix has also unveiled a special racing edition, developed in collaboration with BMW Group Designworks. Infinix describes the Note 40 series Racing Edition as designed for young tech enthusiasts, capturing the essence of speed and legend with a unique back panel and customized user interface. For the Note 40 Series Racing Edition, Infinix partnered with BMW Group Designworks to create the color, material, and finish CMF design of the back covers. These covers feature a Wings of Speed design made using advanced UV transfer printing. The rear panels also display BMW's iconic tricolor racing symbols. Additionally, the Note 40 Series Racing Edition includes exclusive wallpapers and a user interface inspired by the energy of a racetrack. The Racing Edition models have the same hardware as the standard versions, with differences being purely cosmetic. The Racing Edition of the Note 40 4G, Note 40 5G, Note 40 Pro 4G, Note 40 Pro 5G, and Note 40 Pro Plus are priced at $209, $259, $279, $309, and $329, respectively. These models will be available globally, although prices may vary by region. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.